916 Muscle Up. Just arrived at the Penske car show. Initially I thought I was going to the Auto Club car show, but it got changed to the 25th, so I'm at the Penske, and I'm gonna take a stroll through here, see what kind of cars they got. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, support, represent. Looking sweet over here. Got the matte black on the hood. Got the racing number on it. These are one of my all-time favorites. For a GT. That inside look like an airplane. Some Ferraris rolling up. Old schools. You don't see these. Ford, look like a, what is this, a country sedan. Wow. This ain't old school. Look at that thing. Wow, column shifter. And it's got the back laid out. You know what you used to do back there, right? They used to take this to the drive-in and make it happen. Yeah, man, that was a lot of romance back there. Corvettes, Porsches, Corvettes, convertible Camaro, the G-Wagon, and what we have right here, we got a Demon. It's got that Ferrari SUV. I've never seen one of these in person. I know the name starts with a P, but I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to murder the name. Interesting shape. What do you guys think? That's clean. I know they're going for a grip. Pretty car. So they have a lot of dope Ferraris over here. Big money dealership. Yeah, I don't know all the different makes and models of Ferraris. Let me see. This is 296 GTB. I don't know if I've seen one of these on the road before. 296 GTB. Huh. This is a sick whip. Big center exhaust. Wow. Beautiful from every angle. 296, huh? This is a 2024 SF90 Spyler tailor-made. Oh, this thing is nice. It's a clean spec. SF90, huh? Very exclusive. Wow. Beautiful car. 2024. Yeah, I'm not hip on these. It's clean. Beautiful car. I like the way that center exhaust comes out. Yeah, they got some sick Ferraris up in here for you guys who like the exotics. They got some bad boys in here. This is another SF90 Stradale. A matte black. This thing is nasty. Yeah, this is nasty right here. is money. This is money, you guys. And then I'm walking through the other side, and we have a really sick Lambo right here. What is this? This is a Aventador. Clean Aventador. I know you youngsters out there know what this is for sure. This is a beautiful spec. You got the Pagani. The Pagani. Ah, man. It's nasty. It's a rolling work of art right here. Beautiful, man. The Wyra. Look at that exhaust. I think I've seen it over at the Toy Barn. Yeah, that's where it was.
I met him maybe about a month and a half or 2 months ago. It's a really cool car.
That's got an LS in it, 6.2. Yep. So you got the dependability, got the Italian styling.
Yeah, it sounds.
It does.
It sounds really, really good. It's a cool car.
You guys check this out. This Rolls right here and has the orange trimming on it. Now I've never seen the orange and the white, and look at the wheels. Those are crazy, man. This thing is sick. The Rolls-Royce SUV, the SUV of all SUVs. This thing is nasty. What like if you seen this Rolls-Royce, man, what would you think the owner? What would you think he did?
I mean, honestly, he has to be. Yeah, he's got to be like 50 Cent or something. Honestly, he's got to be some like big. He's got to be a hip hop like.
I mean, look, they got the orange. You guys can't see it, but in the slots of the grill, they put orange wrap.
Yeah,
so you can't really see it unless it's at an angle. This is sick. I mean, this is just a monster.
Driving this, though.
Yeah, yeah. This is a 50 Cent or
50 Cent kind of vibe.
Jay-Z.
Or Jay-Z.
Yeah.
I can see Jay-Z driving this.
Yeah. Porsche Turbo S. Now you have the new right here, and then we have the older right here. So this right here, you said is what? Probably you said 2020, 2022,
2023 and above.
Okay, 2023 and above.
Yeah.
911 Turbo S. You guys already know what this is about. 0 to 60 in like what? 3.2, 2.8.
Somewhere around there, yeah. That's about right, yeah. Around 3 seconds. Yeah.
Around 3 seconds right here, 0 to 60. This thing's a monster, and you're not gonna lose any value on this car. This is an investment right here. Beautiful car. And then we have, what year would you say this is?
2008 to 12.
2008 to 12.
Yeah.
Another beautiful Turbo S 911. And which one would you guys take, the red or the blue? A beautiful car. I'll take either one. I like the classic though.
Yeah. It's got a nice stance on the back.
It does.
Yeah, exactly.
To pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster signed by me for you.